Hi students, very good morning. So we continue the complex numbers. See this part. Find the equation of perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining 2 points. Line segment joining 2 points A, B. Perpendicular bisector of the, actually this is the products in complex numbers. What are the points they given? 7 plus 7i, 7 minus 7i. But we can convert this into points. A of 7 comma 7, B of 7 comma minus 7. So this is the problem becomes in straight lines. See this one. This is the line segment AB. 7 comma 7. B point. 7 comma minus 7. Perpendicular bisector. This is the M. Okay. Perpendicular bisector. What is the midpoint? 7 plus 7. 14 by 2 7. 7 minus 7. 0. 7 comma 0. So we require this line. This is the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. What is the slope of AB? What is the slope of AB? Slope of AB. Minus 7 minus 7 by 7 minus 7 minus 14 by 0. That means AB, line AB parallel to y-axis, line AB parallel to y-axis, then perpendicular bisector, is parallel to x-axis, that implies slope equal to 0. Parallel to x-axis, slope equal to 0. Moreover, this line passing through the M bisector. So midpoint. Perpendicular bisector means passing through midpoint M. Moreover, perpendicular to the line segment AB. So what is the meaning? Y minus y1 equal to M into x minus x1. Point 7 comma 0. Y minus 0 equal to slope 0 into x minus 1. What is this implies? Y equal to 0. So that is the equation of perpendicular bisector. That is the required equation. Right students? Next see this problem. Find the equation of line segment joining the points minus 9 plus 6i comma 11 minus 4i. These are the 2 points A, B. Equation of straight line, that only they are asking. So that is the line joining 2 points. But actually the problem is complex number. But the problem becomes problem in straight lines. AB, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Y minus y1, y minus 6, y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 6 minus 10 by 11 minus 7 minus 9 20 into x minus x1, that is the x plus 9. What is this sir? 2 times 2y minus 12 equal to minus x minus 9. Take this sir. X plus 2y minus 12 plus 9 minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required equation of line. They will ask the problem in complex number, but that is the problem in straight lines. Right. Now see the third problem. Show that the points in Argand diagram, Argand plane, represented by the complex numbers 2 plus 2i. How you write the point? Here 2 comma 2, minus 2 minus 2i. Minus 2 come minus 2. Minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. C up. Minus 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. This is a C point. So A, B, C are 3 points. What we have to prove? Equilateral triangle. So just find AB. What is the AB equal to? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That equals square root of minus 4 whole square 16. Minus 4 whole square 16. That equal to root of 32, that equal to 4 root 2. Next, BC equal square root of minus 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square, that equal square root of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab 4 into 8 minus 8 root 3 plus a square 4 root 3 2 root 3 whole square 12 plus b square plus 4 into 2 8 root 3 8 root 3 cancel, that equals square root of 16 plus 16 32, again that is the 4 root 2. Now what is the CA? CA, that equals square root of minus 2 root 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 minus 2. That equal, this is a plus b whole square, take minus common, a plus b whole square 2 root 3 whole square 12 plus 4 plus 8 root 3 plus 12 plus 4 minus 8 root 3 8 root 3 cancel, that is equal to square root of 32, that equal to 4 root 2. What is the difference? Therefore AB equal to BC equal to C, AB equal to BC equal to C. Therefore the triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Okay students, so they will ask the problem in complex numbers. We convert the problem complex numbers to points, so we can solve in this way, right? Therefore triangle ABC is equilateral, right? Right students, now series problem show that the points in orthogonal plane represented by the complex numbers minus 2 plus 7. So A point is minus 2 comma 7, B point minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2, C point 4 minus 3 4 comma minus 3, D point 7 by 2 into 1 plus 7 by 2 comma 7 by 2. This is the D point. ABCD 4 points. Now what are the AB equal distance between the 2 points minus 3 by 2 plus 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 7 whole square, that equal square root of 4 minus 3 1 by 2 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 14 minus 13 by 2 whole square 169 by 4, that is equal to square root of 170 by 4. So AB equal to that much value. What about BC? Square root of 4 plus 3 by 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole square, that equal 8 plus 3 11 by 2 whole square 121 by 4 plus minus 6 minus 1 49 by 4, that equal square root of 170 by 4. CD equal to square root of 7 by 2 minus 4 whole square plus 7 by 2 plus 3 whole square, that equal square root of 7 minus 8 minus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus 6 plus 7 169 by 4, that equals square root of 170 by 4. DA, that equals square root of, what is the DA? 7 by 2 plus 2 whole square plus 7 by 2 minus 7 whole square, that equals square root of 4 plus 7 11 by 2 whole square 121 by 4 7 minus 14 minus 7 by 2 whole square 49 by 4, that equals square root of 170 by 4. What is this simplest? AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All sides are equal. That means this may be a square or rhombus. Now find the diagonals. What are the diagonals? AC and BD. What is the AC length? AC square root of 4 minus or minus 2. 4 plus 2 whole square. And this one minus 3 minus 7 whole square. That equals square root of 6 square 36 plus minus 10 whole square 100. That equals square root of 136. And what are the BD? BD equal to BD 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square. That equals square root of 10 by 2 5 5 square 25 7 minus 1 6 by 2 3 3 square 9. That equal to 2 over 134. What is the simplest? AC not equal to BD. So diagonals are not equal. So this is the rhombus. Diagonals are not equal. So this ABCD forms rhombus. Okay. So what are the points they given in complex number? We convert into the points A, B, C. So right. Now see the next problem. Show that the points P, Q denote the complex numbers Z1, Z2, and O is the origin. So this is the point P and this is the point Q. POQ. We have to prove that angle POQ equal to 90 degrees. Right. Now see this one. Z1 equal to x1 plus iy1. Z1 equal to x1 plus iy1. Z2 equal to x2 plus iy2. Z2 equal to x2 plus iy2. What is Z1 Z2 bar? Given condition. Given Z1 Z2 bar plus Z1 bar Z equal to 0. What is that in place? X1 plus iy1 into what is the Z2 bar? X2 minus iy1 plus Z1 bar x1 minus iy1 into x2 plus iy2 equal to 0. Now multiply this one. x1 x2 minus I x1 y2 plus I y1 x2 minus I square means plus y1 y2 plus x1 x2 plus I x1 y2 minus I y1 x2 minus I square plus y1 y2 equal to 0. This and this one gets cancelled. What is that implies? 2x1 x2 plus 2y1 y2 equal to 0. That implies x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equal to 0. That implies x1 x2 equal to minus y1 y2. What is that implies? y1 by x1 into y2 by x2, that is equal to minus 1. y1 by x1 into y2 by x2 equal to minus 1. What is the y1? See, this is the point x1 comma y1. Suppose this is the angle theta 1. This is x1, this one is y1. What is the tan theta 1? Tan theta 1 equal to y1 by x1. Tan theta 1 equal to y1 by x1. What is that means? Tan theta 1 means slope. What is that implies? m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. What is that means? Angle between them is 90 degrees. Therefore, angle POQ is equal to 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, this is the way we solve the problem.